Creating high-quality social media content can feel overwhelming, right? Well, meet NoEfforts.ai, the ultimate tool to generate stunning content in just minutes. Let's kick things off with YouTube Shorts. NoEfforts.ai makes it super simple to create shorts with AI-generated images. First, we select our caption style. Next, choose the caption position. We'll place it at the bottom for a clean look. Now, set the topic for the video and choose a language. For this video, we're using Hindi. Want some background music? Just turn it on or off. It's your choice. Select your preferred AI voice.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
And hit generate. Once done, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect before downloading.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि हमारी आकाशगंगा में हर मिनट एक नया तारा जन्म लेता है? ये विशाल ब्रह्मांड लगभग 13.8 अरब साल पुराना है और लगातार फैल रहा है। हमारा सूरज हर सेकंड 600 मिलियन टन हाइड्रोजन को हीलियम में बदलता है।
And there you have it. Your YouTube short is ready. Now let's try script to video feature. Click script to video and add your script. Choose the language, select an AI voice,
as we are liberated from our own fear,
and hit generate video. The tool will create your video in seconds. Simply preview it.
every sunrise brings a new chance, a fresh start. But how often do we let yesterday's worries hold us back from today's possibilities? Success isn't about being perfect.
Let's explore more. Moving to the Idea to Video section, click Would You Rather. Start by uploading images for each slide and entering your text. Adjust the percentages, like 40% on one side, and the tool automatically balances the rest. Set the language, English this time, and decide the voice for narration.
Love is a serious mental disease.
Let's pick one that suits the theme. Once all the settings are in place, hit Generate Video. Once generated, preview your video.
Unlimited money, unlimited time. Live in city, live in countryside. Famous personality, infamous personality.
Ready to see what's next? Let's dive into the text-to-image feature. Type in a creative prompt, click Settings, select the aspect ratio, portrait in this case, and hit Generate. Watch as NoEfforts.ai produces a stunning, high-quality image in seconds. You can save the image directly to your computer for future use. But there's even more. We've got captions next. Adding captions has never been easier. Start by selecting a caption style and position. Let's choose the bottom of the screen for a polished look. Upload your video file.
अगर आपके रेज्यूमे में बिल्कुल भी पॉइंट्स नहीं है और आपके पास इतना टाइम भी नहीं है कि आप बहुत कुछ कर पाओ, तो लेट मी रिवील कि मैंने कैसे अपने रेज्यूमे को भरा था.
Then click Add Caption. The tool automatically syncs the text with your video. Preview the generated video.
अगर आपके रेज्यूमे में बिल्कुल भी पॉइंट्स नहीं है और आपके पास इतना टाइम भी नहीं है कि आप बहुत कुछ कर पाओ, तो लेट मी रिवील कि मैंने कैसे अपने रेज्यूमे को भरा था. ऐसी कौन सी 8 चीजें हैं जो आप 15 दिन के अंदर अंदर कर सकते हो to transform your resume from this to this.
And if you are satisfied with the creation, hit download. So whether it's shorts, images, or captions, NoEfforts.ai makes content creation a breeze. Explore its features, create stunning content, and save hours of effort. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.